Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So I just want to share with you my Shado Beni plant that is growing very nicely. Somebody told me I'm showing off. Hell yes, I'm showing off. I'm so excited. I got it from my friend's yard. I just picked it up and put it in some soil and it's doing really good. But what I really want to show you is, you see how this one is nice and doing fine. It's spread out in the pot, right? Look at this other one. This other one here is not as big as the one I just showed you, the first one. But this piece in the center here, you see here, this is looking different. What I realized from my previous plant is that when the shado grows up in the center like this is going to grow some seeds, and this is where you're going to get these seeds to grow extra plants. So as this going to get bigger, as it grows bigger, and the seeds start to get seeds, what I'm going to notice is that I'm going to get some extra little plants to the side of the pot, because the seeds are going to fall in the soil and grow extra plants. But did you check it out? This plant has this sort of a, how you say, leaves on this one, but the other one doesn't, and it's bigger. Maybe this is a male and the other one is a female. What do you think about that? Yeah, quite cool. So I'll keep you updated as the other plant gets bigger, so you can see what the seeds look like. And somebody told me that with the Shado Beni, now I heard that is I keep hearing that is also like cilantro. But a friend of mine, he's telling me yes, there's cilantro with a C-U-L-A-N-T-R-O and also C-I-L-A-N-T-R-O. Now I thought it was a typographical error, but my friend told me that no, there's a C-U-L-A-N-T-R-O, which is the real similar one to the Shado Beni, C-U-L-T-R-A-N-O, and the one that is C-I-L-T-A-N-R-O is a little different. I think that's the one I tried before. It has a kind of like a bitter aftertaste to it. Let me know what your input is on that with the different cilantros that we can use that is very similar to the Shado Beni. So here, this is a close-up of the seeds that you could see what it looks like. Right, like I said before, when these seeds drop into the soil, it will just populate the soil and make another more Shado Beni plants. On the next little clip here, you'll see the different names that this herb is called. Bandanya, Shado Beni, that is spelled different names, different ways, and also to the Shado Beni, people spell it a different way too as well. Yeah, so. So it's shout out time. I'll leave links in the description box below. So here we go. And Buyer, Baby Girl Das, Chiny Girl, Dry Coconut, Cynthia Williams, Cara Johnson, Sally Sanson, Soul Food Queen.net, Patricia Sprinkles, Delicia De Linda, BowStar Channel, Brian Waite, Ricardo Montenegro, Caraman Rob, ML Thurton, Rani Mohammed, Tasha 3826 SKH1337 SANSP 614.